Hello there, you're welcome to this channel. Today we'll be looking at a tutorial on how to create and set up your YouTube channel. So I'll be starting from the various process you need to go through. First of all, you need an email address on your phone. You must have created an email address. Note that the email address should be an email address that is not connected to another YouTube account, right? So you want to have a fresh email or a new email for this new YouTube account you'll be creating, whether it's a face account, YouTube channel, or a faceless YouTube channel. So we're going to start with basic data we need. So we'll go to ChatGPT or Gemini or Cloud AI, any of the AI you are using. We're going to be drafting some data we need while creating an account. So I'm going to be having a conversation with my AI, irrespective of the kind of channel you want to create. So we're going to be first of all type this prompt. I'm going to type the prompt. Then so this is the prompt. I want I want to create a faceless YouTube channel that focuses on the storytelling niche. Give me a detailed optimized YouTube channel metadata for my channel. Right, so we're going to be very raw from the start to finish. How you have your conversation, how you brainstorm. So we'll send you the AI. Let's see what's going to bring. So it's now showing you basic stuff you need to know. You see channel name options, SEO plus brandable. Pick one. So you have these are possible channels, right? That you can use depending on your niche, depending on the sub niche, right? Okay, so you see. So you now know that you need a description, right? For your channel. Now you also need keywords and tags for your channel, right? Also it's showing you when you're posting your videos, the correct category for your channel is entertainment. Now you also have your what your channel is all about, right? Now you also have banner text, right? Possible things you can put on your banner text. You have default video description templates, right? Content positioning. Okay, so this there's a lot of stuff here, but our goal is to create a channel, and this channel is going to be storytelling channel, right? So first and first, I'll go back and look at the names. Now, the option A is a deep and cinematic kind of story channel. Option B is the emotional slash human story channel. Option C is a dark mystery and true story learning, right? And it's also giving you a tip. It said avoid using TV. Option off official on numbers, channel handle. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to be working with the echoes untold. Now note that this is also relative to the niche, sub-niche you are working on if you are doing a faceless channel. So you need to be, I'm just doing this based on tutorial. I would have gone deeper if it is deeper in terms of if I'm dealing with my students, for example, right? So I'll pick the untold, echoes untold. So that was echoes untold. I will have echoes untold here. Excuse me. So this is the channel name, right? Then already we have a channel handle at equals untold, right? Then the channel description will come and pick it now. Pick he said true stories, hidden life, and powerful narrative told through immense storytelling. This is a faceless storytelling channel focus on emotion message. So it can be as brief as this. Okay. Then you have the this is more of like a prompt. They now have it in detail here. You see, welcome to Echoes Untold, a faceless story channel dedicated to powerful blah blah blah, blah. Right? So you have this. This is it. So if you use the prompt I sent you, you'll be able to get this as your result. They now have the channel keyword and hashtags, right? They are also important. They are also important, right? Now that we have this, now we have channel about. Okay, then if you decide to choose the channel name you want to use, okay, I can decide to re-edit the prompt. Now, this is what I'm going to do. Copy this, paste it, then I'll copy this name here, right? Take it out. I want to create, I will now paste it here. I'll put in brackets so that the AI is going to know that this is the specific channel I'm working with. So everything is going to be giving me is going to be detailed. I want to create a faceless YouTube channel in bracket equals onto that focuses on storytelling niche. Give me a detailed message. You see, it's now being specific, right? So I'll now send I'll now send this and see the result is going to create. So everything is going to be specific to the echoes untold, right? Everything. Now you see, it's giving me multiple options even for the channel handle, right? Now category, right? Now you have see your description, your channel description here, right? Now you also have your channel keywords slash hashtags, right? You also have your channel about, then your channel banner. Now default video description template. When we're uploading video, talk about that. Default video tags. Yeah, you got this, right? Now I'm going to ask you to give me prompt. Give me prompt for my channel profile and banner. Right? It must not be something complicated. You will use this to generate your profile and your banner. Right? So see for your profile image prompt, so you have this. You have it's giving you alternate prompt. Then for the channel banner, it's giving you this, right? And also alternate you may want to try the alternative is also giving you, but I won't waste time. I'll just pick the first one when we come to design that, right? So sometimes there's AI to be telling you what not to include and that. So basically you have the prompt for the profile, you also have the prompt for your banner, right? So let's go create our channel and we'll just go and copy some of this information and fill in, right? Now we'll go to Wix AI to generate our channel profile image and banner. So I'm going to copy this prompt, then I'll go to my browser. Just go to my browser, just type in Wix AI. Okay, go to your browser and type in Wix AI. Let me put this in check it. Then you click on the first option for the Wix AI. Right, so you have this interface. Then I'll click on browse gallery, enter tool. So maybe if you are doing this for the first time, you may want to sign up. So what I'm going to do right now is that I'll come here and click on this option. Now, these are the various templates of images you can generate, either in square, portrait, or landscape. So this is the profile. I'll click on the square, then I'll drop in my prompt here, right? Select or put in the prompt that my AI gave me for my channel. So I'm going to send it, which AI normally generates two images, right? So you can see what it will depend on what you want. You just choose the one you want, which one that appeals to you. They are all pretty fine, right? So I'm just going to download the both of them. Click on the download button here, right? Then we're going to change this again to landscape. You know that the banner normally is more of a landscape site. So we're coming here. We're going to copy the prompt for the banner. Then we'll come here and paste it. You don't need any special graphic design skills or whatever, right? Just something simple and good to go. So see what we have here, right? We have two different images. So what I'm going to do right now is that I will go to my Canva app and readjust the banner. So that's what we're going to do right now. I'll readjust the banner. So we'll go to Canva. When you have your Canva app, you open your Canva app. Then what I'm going to do, I'll just into the search bar, I'll just type YouTube channel banner, something like that. YouTube channel banner, and let's search. So we have this. Let's search for it. So you're going to see a lot of templates you can use, right? So these are templates already on ground. If you want, you can re-edit a template if you want. You can re-edit it, right? And you can start from fresh. You can start from scratch, rather. So let me see this. Click on that. So we have this. What you're going to do now, you just go to your gallery down here. Then to pick that image we generated from Wix AI. So I'm going to pick let's just pick this. I'll click on add. Then I'll just adjust it. I'll expand it, right? We'll expand. Okay. Expand this as simple as this, right? You may want to add something like subscribe, the subscribe button. Let's see. So subscribe button, search for that. So you may want to add this. Just click on one of the options, then we'll bring it down, right? Something like this. Just like adding a strategic city on your banner so that when people stumble on your channel, this will also help them. So you just do this. Then you now click on this sign, click on download, change this to JPEG, then we download, right? Now the next thing we want to do is to go to our browser. Now note that you need an email. As I said, a fresh email. There's no, you don't use two accounts on one email. Make sure it's a fresh email that is not related or connected to any account. So what I'm going to do right now is that I'll go to my browser and I'll type studio.youtube.com. Right, studio.youtube.com. Perhaps there are some that you have a channel already on your phone. For some you may not have any channel at all. So you just go to studio.youtube.com, and if you have the YouTube Studio app on your phone, it may redirect you to that place. But at the bottom of it, you're going to see where it says continue to studio. So now this is a channel already on this. So what I'm going to do right now, just wait for it to load. Right, so I'll come here, look at this place here. Let me expand this place. Now for you having a channel already on your phone, you just click on this icon here, this account. Then you now click on switch account. You're going to switch this account to the email, right, you are going to be using. Okay, to the email you are going to be using. So I'll click on, I want to use this email now, so I'll click on it. You can see what this is showing us, right? So I want to log in right now. So I'll pick my channel. Look at what it said. It said create channel, right? Now, so what I want to do now here is that come back to my AI where I generated the data for my channel, right? Go there, pick the details. So my channel name is Echoes Untold. Copy that. Come on, pick one of the maybe Echoes Untold stories, right? Then Echoes Untold. So you hold on to see, okay, right? There's this sign, it's going to check. It said this handle isn't available, right? So we can't use this. So let me check the other options. Sometimes to auto suggest for you what you can use as well. Copy this. I'll paste. See what it's going to say. We can't use this. So what I'm going to do now, I can add YT to it. YT, right? So let's see. It's not going to be so now, but you can say it's suggesting to us. I'll pick this one now. Now it's fine, right? So I'll click on create channel. So once you're in this interface, right, you can see at the top right you have your echoes. If you touch here, you can see echoes untold, right? So this is your channel. What you want to do now, you want to optimize it, right? You want to optimize your channel. Notice that this is on a new email, it's not an old channel we are re-editing, right? So you come at the bottom left, at the bottom left, see this place, at the bottom left, you can see this icon, right? You click on. Now once you come in your channel, currency is in USD dollars, that's fine. Go to channel. When you come to channel, first thing first, your country of residence, you're going to be using United States, right? United States, that's US. Now you have something called the channel keyword. This is very, very important. Very, very important to help your channel. Okay, depending on the sub niche you are working on. Okay, so we're going to go and pick those channel keyword that our AI gave us. Go to channel keyword, pick them and go and paste them there, right? Now remember while we were working on our metadata about our YouTube channel, it gave us a lot of stuff, right? So look at now here is channel keywords, right? These are the channel keywords. I'll copy this, then I'll go to this place and paste it. It's very important. So I'll paste this, right? I'll click on save. Oh, move this upward. Click on save, right? Settings save. I'll still go back to that place. Click on the same setting, go to channel, right? Go to channel. Um, okay, I think now for your channel keyword, you need to separate them with commas. Okay, you need to separate them with commas. So this was the keyword our AI gave to us, right? But they are not separated with commas. So I came here and I prompted by saying separate the words with commas. I put in brackets and I put all this channel keyword. And here we have them separated in commas. So I'm going to copy it, then go to the keyword section and paste it, right? So we have this. So it's separated with comma because you can even see the instruction that enter comma separated values, right? So now the next thing, the only thing we did here was to the country of residence and the keyword. Then I'll go to advanced settings. Now this will always, because except you are running a kids faceless channel, you click on no. Set this channel as not made for kids, right? That's all you're going to be doing here, right? At the moment, that's all you're going to be doing here. Okay, then this the next column here, standard feature, internet feature, video over 15 minutes, custom thumbnail and live streaming. If you want to publish your video right now, you need to publish a long form video before you can put the thumbnail. I'll be showing you that how to go about that, right? So all other features are to be left the way they are, right? So we only choose that this channel is not for kids here. Basic information, we pasted our country of residence, and we also inputted our channel keyword separated with commas, right? So you can see this is showing and it's going to be always less than 500. So what we imputed was 409 over 500, so that's fine, right? So take a look at it again. Country of residence USA, channel keyword, advanced settings, the next page. We choose that this channel is not for kids, and coming down here, right, this page that says third party training. Okay, if you choose it, you realize that you cannot save. The save option is not allowed, right? So what I did was I unchecked it. I was just looking at that, uncheck this, so you'll be able to save your information. So you just save here, right? So once you have saved this, now you have saved your channel. That's very important. So the next thing is to, so on the YouTube app, okay, on the YouTube app, you always do that. You can always change that here. You see where it says switch channel. This is the app now. I'm no longer on the website. I'll click on view channel and I want to add the banner. I'll click on edit channel, right? So already we can do this both on the channel, rather on the web version, on the app. So here I'll just continue my work. I'll click here to pick the banner. Choose from your phone. Then I'll go and click on that banner. Here we have the banner, right? So just adjust it a bit like this. Okay. save. When you click this now, is for the profile, the smaller one we picked. You click on the, and this is it. I'm going with this one, right? So I'll click on save. I'll click on save as profile picture. We have our name, we have our handle, we have our channel URL, and then the channel description. This is also important. So go to our AI and pick our channel description. Right? So copy it, then we'll go there, paste it. Right? So you go through it again now. You want to go through it and adjust what you need to adjust. Welcome to Echo onto the faceless story channel dedicated to stories that linger and blah 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 blah. Right? Just like close it, then you save. Right? So you go to home. If you go back to home now, this is our home. Here short subscription, and here we are, right? So this is going to reflect. Once you choose it, I'm just repeating it to be sure. So just save. It's always going to reflect. If you look at this now, profile picture successfully updated. That's fine. That's good. Now we have this as our channel. Then this, choose from your photo. You do it again. Let me just, right, save. Good. Channel banner. So you can see everything is now set up. Now you're now ready to start your channel. So you can see this is it. Okay, this is the banner. This is the profile picture, right? So you can see your description is here. See your description, see your channel, right? 31st of January 2025. So you can see this is our channel. So we are set to start creating our content and do that. This is analytics. This is when you start posting, you start watching, monitoring how your channel is doing, right? So this is how to create your channel and optimize your channel. You can always reach out to me if you want my mentorship. I have an inner cycle where a community of few people where we do a value based discussion on YouTube and see how we grow. See you in my next video.